Today we have a very quick unboxing and even sort of a little how-to on how to replace your AirPods Max ear cushions. These are in fact replacement ear cushions that Apple so graciously allows us to purchase for an additional $69. Since Apple made it very easy for customers to buy a set of replacement cushions for their AirPods Max, it's possible that some of you out there might not need a replacement, especially right now, unless maybe you lost one or damaged one, but maybe you just want to see what they look like with different color ear cushions on your AirPods Max. In fact, that's exactly what we're going to be doing in this video. We're going to be placing a set of white or silver, whatever you want to call this color, pair of ear cushions on my blue AirPods Max. So if you somehow lose a cushion or you rip one, maybe it's getting old and gross and sweaty, and you want to replace it, it's really, really simple. At least for $69, you are getting a good unboxing experience, or at least a standard unboxing experience. It comes in this all-white box, similar to the AirPods Max box, but instead of the picture of the headphones, you have the cushions and what color they are. And when you open them up, you will see that they just slide on out, and you can toss the box away because, well, there's nothing else in there. You get your left and your right ear cup, and then all you have to do is kind of take your AirPods Max and with the slightest force just pull from the top here, and they're magnetic and they come off super easy. It's very simple. Then, of course, you guessed it, if you want to put your new ear cushions on, you just figure out which one is which. So as you can see here, I have the left and right ear cushions, and then you just want to look on your headphones. It's going to be backwards from the way I was holding it. So my right's on this side and my left's here, and you can literally probably just drop them right into place. Okay, that one went in. That was kind of cool. And that's it. And honestly, my first thoughts is actually kind of like this white look. I didn't think I was going to, but yeah, it doesn't look too bad. So there's going to be a bunch of you out there who are thinking of maybe mixing and matching and dropping more money on top of your $550 price tag just to get the AirPods Max. And so if you want to know what all of the colors would look like together, our very talented graphic designer Ryan made a mock-up of what most, if not all, of the combinations would look like. Personally, I would have opted to go for the red or the pink looking cups to go with the blue, or maybe even black, but the silver option was the only one available to ship as soon as possible, so that's what I went with. And honestly, looking at it now, the more I look at it, I actually really like this silver and blue look. I really wish Apple gave users an option to choose which ear cup colors you wanted at checkout. We kind of already get that sort of custom build when you're doing your Apple Watch, so I don't know why there wasn't just like an AirPods Max Studio and allow you to kind of figure out which ones you want. But Apple does let you do that. You just need to pay an extra $69. Of course, I would love to know your thoughts on this. I'm sure you're gonna think this is absurd. Most of you will probably think that. But I'd also like to know what you guys think looks best. What color combinations are your favorite? Which ones do you think look better with the blue? Maybe I'll switch these out and get a different one. Who knows? Let me know in those comments down below. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.